Is this fruit basket actually sturdy, or is it going to wobble all over your counter? And how much weight can this banana hook really hold? Stick with me for the next couple of minutes, and I'm going to show you exactly what this thing can do, and I'll put it together right in front of you so you can see for yourself. But first, big thank you to Sevenblue for sending this my way to try out. I always tell you exactly what I think, good or bad, so let's get into it. So this is the Sevenblue rotating fruit basket, and honestly, my counter needed this. Between the wooden base and the wire basket, it's got that clean farmhouse look, but it's also just practical, and that's what we care about, right? So let's put it together first, because I know that's half the battle for anything you order online. But good news, this one only takes 4 steps, and it comes with a clear instruction manual, so no guesswork, finally. So first, put the rubber feet on the bottom of the base, then attach the basket to the wooden base with the 2 screws they provide, then put the banana hanger and the hanger base together and attach the hanger to the basket. See, 4 steps, and we're done. No tools, no headache, no calling your grandkids for help. Actually, we had to use a screwdriver, so that's a tool. But other than that, now here's the thing I wanted to know before I even opened the box. Is this thing sturdy, or does it wobble? So look, the base is solid wood, and it's got these non-slip pads we put on the bottom that really grip the counter. I'm going to give it a little shake here. You see that? No wobble, no sliding around. It sits nice and steady, even when I spin it. And speaking of spinning, that's my favorite part. It rotates a full 360 degrees, so you're not reaching over or moving things around to grab an apple in the back. And just give it a little spin, and everything comes to you. Now that banana hanger was something I wanted to really put to the test because a flimsy hook, it's useless. This one's reinforced, so it holds a full bunch of bananas without bending or sagging. And I loaded mine right up, and it didn't budge. And as far as how much it holds, I got a good amount of apples and oranges and a lemon or 2 in the basket, plus the bananas hanging up top. And there's still some room to spare. It's deep enough that you're not restocking your fruit bowl, every other day. So I also like that the wire design is open, so air flows through and your fruit actually stays fresher longer instead of getting soft sitting in a closed bowl. And the finish is rust resistant, so wiping it down's a breeze. And if you're like me and like a little peace of mind with anything you order, Sevenblue backs this up with a 45-day money-back guarantee and a 360-day replacement policy. So you're covered. I got the link right down in the description if you want to grab one for your own kitchen. And hey, if this video helped answer your questions, I'd really appreciate it if you hit that like button and subscribe. I really like likes, and it helps me out more than you know. So that's it. A rotating fruit basket by Sevenblue. I hope this helps. I hope to see you again.